Why do busy parents love slow cookers? Because they make dinner time a breeze. Start by browning 2 pounds of chicken thighs in your Instant Pot on saute mode. Vegan swap in tofu, set the browned goodness aside. Now saute a diced onion and minced garlic till they're soft and fragrant. Toss in 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, and a teaspoon of turmeric. Let those flavors blend. Add 2 large cubed sweet potatoes, a can of coconut milk, 2 cups of broth, a can of diced tomatoes, and the browned chicken or tofu. Season with salt and pepper. Pressure cook on high for 15 minutes or 10 for tofu. For the slow cooker, set it on low for 6, 8 hours or high for 4 hours. Serve over rice or gluten-free naan, and voila, dinner's done. Welcome back to our Instant Pot and Slow Cooking Week. In this chapter, we will suggest 3 drinks that pair perfectly with our slow cooker chicken curry with sweet potatoes. For a hot drink, consider a soothing cup of masala chai. The warm spices in the chai beautifully complement the curry's rich flavors, making it a comforting choice for cooler evenings. If you prefer a cold drink, a refreshing mango lassi would be an excellent choice. This creamy, sweet, yogurt-based drink not only cools down the heat from the curry, but also adds a delightful tropical twist to your meal. And for those who enjoy an alcoholic beverage, a chilled glass of Riesling wine complements the flavors beautifully. The slight sweetness and acidity of the Riesling balance the spices and richness of the curry, creating a harmonious dining experience. So whether you crave something hot, cold, or with a bit of a kick, these drink pairings will elevate your slow cooker chicken curry to a whole new level. Cheers! If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and let us know in the comments if you liked it or not. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and tips. Thank you for watching.